Hey there! Welcome to Tech World GBA, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we're diving deep into something that's revolutionizing the way we handle documents, OCR, or Optical Character Recognition. We're talking about taking those piles of paper documents, scanned images, or even handwritten notes, and turning them into editable, searchable digital text. So buckle up as we explore how OCR is making document management smarter, faster, and way more efficient. Okay, let's talk about time, something we never seem to have enough of. OCR swoops in to save the day by eliminating the need for manual data entry. Imagine processing hundreds, even thousands of documents in a fraction of the time it used to take. That's the power of OCR. But it's not just about speed, it's also about accuracy. OCR drastically reduces the risk of errors, giving you more reliable data to work with. Let's be real, cost effectiveness is always a win. And guess what? OCR delivers on that front too. Think about those massive filing cabinets stuffed with paper. They take up space and managing them isn't cheap. OCR lets you go digital, storing all those documents electronically. No more bulky filing systems, no more expensive off-site storage, just secure and easily accessible digital archives. Plus, think about the environmental impact. Less paper means a happier planet. There are tons of affordable OCR software options available for individuals and small businesses as well. Chapter 3. Unlocking the power of search. Remember when you had to flip through pages and pages of documents to find that one crucial piece of information? Yeah, those days are over. OCR transforms static text into dynamic searchable data. Imagine typing in a keyword and instantly being able to locate all related documents in your digital archive. That's the magic of OCR. It unlocks a whole new level of organization and efficiency. No more wasted time searching for that needle in the haystack. OCR doesn't just make text searchable, it makes it editable too. Chapter 4. Accessibility and compliance made easy. Technology should be accessible to everyone, and OCR plays a vital role in making information accessible to individuals with disabilities. For people who rely on screen readers, OCR can convert printed materials into digital text, allowing them to access information independently. Many industries have regulations requiring them to maintain accurate and easily retrievable records. OCR helps organizations meet these requirements by providing a secure and auditable trail of document management. Plus, having everything digitized makes it much easier to implement security measures and control access to sensitive information. Chapter 5. The future of document management. OCR isn't just a cool tech trick, it's becoming an essential tool in our increasingly digital world. From smartphone cameras that can scan documents to cloud-based platforms that automate entire document workflows, OCR is everywhere. And as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the future. So, whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone who wants to simplify their life, OCR is a game changer. So there you have it, OCR, the unsung hero of the digital age, quietly transforming the way we handle documents. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on OCR and its impact on our lives? Let's discuss it in the comments section below.